Physically, we have evolved. You know, evolution. We evolved. We used to live in a cave. We used to be hunter gatherers. And a mutation came in human brain. We evolved. But is there a psychological evolution? Krishnamurti is telling that we are same as we were. We were as violent, as aggressive, in fear, in anger. Today we are same. We have not evolved from inner. If we see our inner self, wars used to happen 5,000 years ago, still are happening. So it means we have not evolved psychologically. It means time has nothing to do with your fear, with your anger, with your violence. Our ancestors were violent, aggressive. We are too. At that time we were fearful, restless, insecure. Right now too. So from inner we are same. We have not changed. And today, whenever fear comes, whenever anger comes, we try to, give time and say, gradually I will, gradually I will overcome my fear, I will overcome my anger, I will overcome my tendency of aggression. But again we are doing the same mistake. So if we see in our psychological aspects, we are too much dependent upon time, but we have seen time has nothing to do with this, your inner self. It has not changed you. Suppose you want to change yourself and you say, after 10 days I will, it took me 10 days to overcome my fear. Now up to 10 days you are trying to change yourself. You are, reading books to overcome fear. But up to 10 days you are still in a fear. And if you are up to 10 days still in a fear and you have feed your fear, however, you read books, you tried methods, but fear was already there. And if it were for 10 days, it will remain for more days. So this is what happens when you give time. So Krishnamurti is telling that when you see things as they are, means watch fear exactly as it is. When you see anger as it is, without trying to change, manipulate it, then this fear, this anger begins to fade away, begins to neutralize. Because there is no duality at all now. Because you and the anger, you and the fear become one. And that is most beautiful thing. Krishnamurti said there is no psychological evolution. If you want to learn more about it, if you actually serious about this matter, you can join my spirituality course. Here 24 videos of this course. Meditation, what is meditation, what is present moment, who am I, thought, freedom from thought, suffering, fear, attachment, relationship, guided meditation video. Cool 24 videos to change yourself completely. Join me, understand the basic concept. You will realize what you actually are. My WhatsApp number is 9773529489, giving in description too. From there you can join this course. Thank you very much.